поделать не способен. Не знал я, что ведь я такой не приспособлен. Да уж таким, как я. Премию ноги, но сами ноги мне меня силком ведут.
I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe. Oh, shit! Oh!
Crash event detected. Crash detected.
Mama! Mama! Oh, yeah!
I know it's not. Oh God!
Good watch. 1, 2, 3. Watch out, guys! Here comes another one. That'd be a good feeling, wouldn't it? Oh, he's.
Fucking hell! But I think he would like those
Broadcasting live from the NHR and Levine Accident Attorney Studios.
Shit.
Call 1-800-747.
Oh, Jesus, protect us. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus! Jesus!
Oh, bless. I think we missed
Oh, no, it's still going. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Jesus, Jesus.
it. Oh my God, baby.
Avenues for others to pursue, but we as a regulator will be focusing our attention.
Maybe just one for now, but I don't need it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Holy! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Oke, Lamborghini bisa. What the fuck? Dear old fella. It's alright, mate.
The name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to the police.
Fucking hell, how did you manage to get in here?
It's just gone in.
You on the phone to the police?
Yes, I'm on the phone to the police. They need
You've been drink driving?
Sorry?
You've been drinking driving?
Haunted. It's literally a school zone. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? School zone. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Save video.
Holy well, that's why they have tusks. Yeah. That's where it is.
I'm gonna stand back. I'm gonna stand back. No limit Pablo News. He's definitely about to hit that bridge. Ooh! I told y'all niggas. I'm gonna stand back because he.
Truck ahead. He's got a box truck ahead. Oh my goodness, look at that. Woo! Okay, he's gonna get squeezed in there. He's gonna get squeezed in, and there's the collision. Took the door off.
Oh!
Oh my god! Whoa! Fuck.
They're gonna hit this van. Look out! Oh my god!
They hit it?
Pull over. What the f, dude?
Achterkant rijdt hij aan voort.